Hello guys, today we have a new Lego set. This is a Iron Man 3 Extreme Board Battles set. This is set 76006 and this is a new addition available. If you win in Pop Tropica, you'll surely get the biggest version. This is the biggest version that I want in Pop Tropica. This is the front of it. We can open it like this, and this is also not a 3-in-1 layer portion. Look outside here. You can open and do this. Ta 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 ta. This is the up part. This is the lower part, and this is the other side. This is the first side, and this is the other side. It's the same. These two sides are the same, and this is the back portion. You're wondering what is this for? This is for shooting. 3, 2, 1, launch! What is happening? 3, 2, 1, launch! Huh? You saw the blue thing? I think that's in between. Sorry for that. There. 3, 2, 1, launch! Sorry! This is the best set, and this is only available in US. And I'm in India now. Let me start off with the minifigures. First up, we have AMMAN 42, guys. This guy can open up his mask like this. You can see it. Let's get a little more closely. Yeah, there we go. You see? See? Then, yeah, let's go. Yeah. Then we have the guy of no fear. They're joking. This guy is war machine. This guy is openable too. Come. Next is Killer sitting on a mobile. He's quite fat. He's quite fat. La 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 la. La 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 la. I am quite fat. I am quite fast. Sorry for that. Crashing power. Crashing. Bye bye. Sorry for my face. Stop recording.